Does eating fruits and vegetables prevent cancer? We all seem to think cancer cases are appearing more often. Most people know someone who had it or is fighting it with mixed results. At the same time, by looking at the past few years, we realize diagnostic processes were not as good as today's. As a result, many people died without knowing the exact cause. It would often be identified as cardiopulmonary arrest. Could cancer really have been the one to blame? The problem is most people believe the probability of getting cancer has increased. That's why so many ask how they can avoid it. Some swear on eating fruits and vegetables is the best way, but is that really the case? Eating fruits prevents cancer. Cellular mutation is the biological origin of cancer. That's why you should take care of your health in order to prevent those mutations from happening. Therefore, there is nothing better than antioxidants. Their function is to prevent cell oxidation. They prevent cellular mutations as well as aging. Fruits are rich in antioxidants, however, they do have a disadvantage: their sugar content. As you may know, some fruits contain a lot of sugar. This is an issue since cancer feeds off sugar to grow and develop. Consequently, not all fruits are suitable for specialized diets. It would be best to check with a dietitian. You can find a list of the best cancer-preventing fruit below. Coconut, apart from being low in sugar, it prevents cancer due to having healthy fats. This type of fat helps break down food. Need energy to digest food and it's exhausting for your cells. Hence, the easier it is, the less your body has to work. Furthermore, you eliminate the most harmful substances. Quince is high in vitamin C, just like other citrus fruits, which are essential for a healthy immune system. Thanks to this vitamin, you'll have better defenses against harmful elements. Red berries. Red berries offer many health benefits. They have two sought-out characteristics. A low glycemic index and high levels of antioxidants. Therefore, it's recommended eating them every day. Eating vegetables prevents cancer. We've already mentioned the importance of good digestion. We stated there were two important factors at work: applied effort and the elimination of toxins. To improve both of these aspects, vegetables can be helpful due to their high fiber content, which helps break down food. Of course, not to mention, they are also antioxidants. The following vegetables are the best choices for fighting against cancer. Spinach. Generally, all leafy green vegetables are great for preventing cancer. First of all, their flavonoids and fiber content are undeniable. In addition to having anti-inflammatory properties, they also provide antioxidants. cruciferous vegetables include cauliflower, broccoli, or other similar veggies. Apart from the aforementioned components, they also contain one we haven't stated, isothiocyanates. The most notable aspect about them is their ability to protect cells, and they can also deactivate carcinogenic agents. Carrots. Carrots are one of the most complete vegetables. They contain an impressive amount of vitamins and minerals. That's why it's important for a diet to be focused on nourishing our body to prevent cancer. Therefore, try to keep these three factors in mind: sugar, antioxidants, and fiber. If you take control of them, you'll be giving your health much better odds. However, remember that there's still a lot we don't know about cancer. Genetics, as well as environmental and emotional factors, come into play. With that in mind, taking care of yourself must be multifaceted, but it's important to know that despite your best efforts, cancer could still develop.